Hi, let's learn how to find out nth term of geometric sequence today. I'm going to teach you this today. In earlier video, we have done arithmetic sequence where the difference between the two consecutive term was like something adding or something subtracting. But now how this geometric sequence is different. So let us see. As we can see in the first sequence which I have written here, 2, 6, 18, 54. These are the first four terms of the sequence, right? So if I write like my first term is equal to a, and I write it as a, and that is 2. Then my second term, let us say, my second term a2, this is a1, and a2 be 6, and I can write this 6 as 2 times 3, correct? Okay, then let us write a3. a3 is what? a3 is 18, and I can write 18 as 6 times 3. Same way, a4, and a4 is my 54, and I can write a4 54 as 18 times 3. It means what? That it is being like each and every term is constantly like multiplied by 3. Okay, so we have some constant ratio. I can say that 6 over 2 is equal to 3, 18 over 6 is equal to 3, 54 over 18 is equal to 3. So this constant number, this is called, this we denote as R. So here in particular sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, our A, that is the first term, is 2 and R is 3. And now how we can make it? See here, I can say that my first term is A, right? And then the second term is what? My second term is A times R, 2 times 3, that is A times R. So I can say my second term is AR. Then if I write this thing again like 6, if I write this thing as 2 into 3 and then this 3, right? I simply factorized it, so I can say that this is 2 into 3 squared, right? So here I can say that my third term is AR squared. Then my fourth term, I can write this as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, because 3 3 is 9 and 9 2s are 18, right? So I factorized 18. So here I can say that 3 is like my R and R raised to 3. So I can say that, and A is my 2. So AR cubed. So this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term, this is my fourth term. So I can generalize and I can say that my nth term would be what? It would be A R raised to n minus 1, because when A4, it is A R raised to 3. So 4 minus 1. Same way A3 is like R raised to 2 minus 1. Correct? So this becomes my general term of a geometric sequence. Now let us do. So for this sequence, if I am asked to find out what would be my nth term, so I can simply say, let us rewrite here. This is my sequence is 2, 6, 18, 54 and so on. My A is 2 here and R is 3 here. Okay, so my nth term would be, my nth term of this particular sequence would be what? It would be A, which is 2, times R, which is 3, raised to n minus 1. So this would be my nth term of this particular sequence. Got it? Okay, so now let us find out for the second one. Second one is what? 1, negative 4, 16. Let me write here 1, negative 4, 16, and I think 64, negative 64, and so on. Now what is our task? Like we have to do identify A and R. So my A is 1 here and my R is what? R would be, you can find out like minus 4 by 1, which is minus 4, or we can say 16 by negative 4, that is also negative 4. Or we can say negative 64 by 16, this is also negative 4. So the ratio is negative 4. So I can say that r is negative 4. And our nth term for this particular sequence would be what? It would be 1 times r, which is negative 4 raised to n minus 1. Or I can say that it is negative 4 raised to n minus 1, because 1 multiplied by anything is same only. Got it? So this is how we get the nth term of a geometric sequence. And if we have to find out, say, of this particular sequence, if I have to find out, say, 10th term, so my 10th term of this sequence would be what? I can simply plug in n equal to 10 here. So minus 4, 10 minus 1, that would be negative 4 raised to 9. This would be my 10th term of second sequence. Got it? Then let us do the third one. This is okay. It's in fractions. No problem. So it is 1 over 2. Let us write here 1 over 2. Then what? 1 over 3, 2 over 9. 1 over 3, 2 over 9. And my fourth term is 4 over 27. 4 over 27. And now see here how to identify. A is very easy. First term is my 1 over 2. Now we need to find out r. R is the ratio of the two consecutive terms, right? So I can say that this is 1 over 3 over 1 over 2. Or I can say that this is 1 over 3 times 2 over 1 or 2 over 3. We can check for the second ratio also here. So this is 2 over 9 over 1 over 3, and we can say that this is 2 over 9 times 3 over 1, and simplifying 3 1s, 3 3s, so it is 2 over 3. So yeah, it is, we can say that ratio, constant ratio is 2 over 3. So our nth term for this particular sequence would be, let us write here, nth term is like a times r 2 by 3 raised to n minus 1. Got it? So this way we can find out nth term of any geometric sequence. Just we need to identify the first term and the constant ratio, and then a r raised to n minus 1. Apply and the nth term is done. Easy? So keep practicing, dear. We will meet in next video. All the best.